we're gonna go to the mountain for the coffee plantation and to the river. Our chariots, our steeds. Is the bear gonna come with us? Hey, goody. Hey, we gotta get off the road. Get off the road, buddy boy. Hi. Oh, another parrot coming right there. Hi, parrot. This one's got a cute pink thing. Just sticking in my bag, I guess. Just don't put it on top of the camera.
Hola, buenos días. Venga, galatea para acá, porque yo no cargo. Celeste.
Celeste.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Good for the dogs, Perro.
Galatea.
Is he your dog?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's cool. That's crazy.
Salud. And the your name?
Colin, yes.
Sofia.
Sophia.
Karen, Sofia.
Hi, Sophia. Nice to meet you. Sophia's a beauty.
Ya. Hola, señor. Excelente. No, porque ya. No se va a hacer de casa. Hola, ¿qué tal?
All right. Easy.
No, Lala. No.
Okay. Hola, amigo.
Bienvenidos.
Buenos días.
Ah, Milania. Hola. All right, we're going this way. Oh, yeah. Oh. You know where you're going. Okay. Oh my God.